For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In the past few weeks, India has seen a surge in gold smuggling cases. Gold smuggling has been on the rise ever since the government increased import duty on gold. In the Union Budget 2019, the government has increased the import duty on gold from 10 to 12.5%. Gold traders claim that this is one of the reasons why lately there is an increase in gold smuggling in the country. The smugglers are using the chartered flights and sea routes to bring the yellow metal to the country. Even as the NIA is investigating the Kerala gold smuggling case, yet another smuggling case has come to light. The Air Intelligence Unit in Kozhikode has seized 117 grams of gold from a passenger who arrived from Dubai. The smuggler played an old trick to smuggle 117 grams of gold. He concealed 117 grams of gold inside his footwear and thought he would get away from the custom officers. However, while frisking, the Customs Commissionerate got hold of him and searched him thoroughly. The Air Intelligence Unit of Customs seized 40 iPhones from another passenger who arrived in the same flight. The duo has been taken into custody for further investigation. The officers will question the duo to see if the two are linked and where they were planning to hand over the smuggled gold. In an update to the Kerala gold smuggling scam, after Customs, NIA and ED now, the IT department has decided to launch a probe against the accused persons. NIA has already seized currencies like US dollars and Oman Riyal from Swapna Suresh along with 1 crore rupees in cash and 1 kg gold from her bank locker. It is clear that cash seized from the lockers of the accused is unaccounted money. The accused persons used to receive their remuneration for smuggling gold in cash, which points to unaccounted money and tax evasion. We have reported the matter to the IT, which is expected to take necessary action. NIA has even filed a petition objecting Swapna Suresh's bail plea. In the petition, NIA claimed that Swapna has not filed income tax returns till date. Following these developments, the IT officers have already begun preliminary probe into the case. In the meantime, CBI is also looking into the involvement of government officials who might have helped the smugglers. Needless to say, the demand for gold in Tamil Nadu and Kerala has escalated in the recent times. The stringent Indian law against bringing in gold from outside is leading to such new methods of smuggling.